Pozdravljeni v novi mladinski oddaji. Zopet smo za vas pripravili veliko različnih prispevkov.
Udobno se namestite in uživajte.
No, oglejmo si film o Moniki.
Sem Monika, stara sem 12 let. Hodim v šolo v 7. razred, najljubši predmet mi je likovna. Na Lovkah živimo že 30 let. Tu je moja hiša, tukaj živim s svojo družino, očetom Moranom, mamo Nadalino, sestrico Anjo in bratom Kevinom. Brat je star 9, sestra pa 2 leti in pol. Hišo, v kateri živimo, je naredil oče. Moja mama rada zaliva rože, se z njim ukvarja in kuha za družino. Zelo rada plešem in se učim trebušni ples. To so moje stvari za plesanje. To je družinska slika iz časa, ko sestre še ni bilo. V tem kotu imam šolske potrebščine in tu delam tudi domačo nalogo. To je mamina sestra Višnja, je moja najljubša teta. To je babica, naredila bo sirup iz smrekovih vršičkov. Vsi zelo radi živimo na Lovkah. Tu imamo hišo in prijazne sosede. V vasi se razumemo in se ne prepiramo in ne kregamo. Tu imamo mir. Sedaj bom vprašala svoje starše, zakaj je tako lepo tukaj.
Настя видо до памен силинамо. Долшки кабе дечи берша хак живинамо.
Kaj ti verša?
Амен живинамо веќе хак мехино хак стари 20 берш и кале још коле поране Рома чижу 60-70 берш. Веќе дова хило амен хак джока живинамо.
Jer na kamen katar to men prođal, kato men gađe kamen prođdela.
Dolške ka preveć olaguviamo love duka kerande, preveć pe smučiamo, zmantriamo pe, naštika namen ka zamekamo, pa džamna za dukuliba, kahak menge šukar i deči berša već živinamo.
To je teško vprašanje za nas. Stran, kam pa, že tako nas nobeden bolj ne sprejema v svojo okolico. Težko. To bi za nas bilo vrnitev v stari časih nazaj, ko smo živeli v šotorah, ko nismo imeli Romi nič. Danes, hvala Bogu, imamo vsaj neki streho nad glavo. Vse se vidi, da gre na boljše, ampak če pa pride do selitve nekom drugam, smo pa na istem, ko smo bili pred 40 let, 50 let nazaj. Ker nazaj v starih časih je to nesmiselno. Kot da bi šli nekam tako da nas ne bi obstajalo več, to je to. Mi smo odvisni od občine, ne zdaj. Če nam občina pomagala reševati probleme, mi smo za to, da se to skupno reši. Bomo videli, no. Naj bila tista občina in država, da bi nam pomagali.
Želimo tukaj da uša pridno, da ša šole krša, da ka uša bari porani, da šo to ovla, da krša buti peške, pa da uša pridno.
Če imam jaz takole, če sem jaz že prišel od tega, da sem si lahko hišo zgradil, da bi moji otroci bili tisti, da bojo oni že nekaj imeli, pa da bojo spet v bodoče več imeli.
Kaj če tove stroji po kurku?
Šakom divet hozbečet pojek strojo, po gargatori kam elektrika naj. Parzo elektrika skruži vinamo i našti meničovi. Našti menični ljuči, najkaj na elektrika.
Štarnišči.
Nič najni štarnišči, najni škrinja. našli ovi pralni strojnici, agregatori, to bo sad tudi vejek strojači baš.
Marmelada je ime delavnici v Ljubljani, na katerih so se zbrali slovenski video umetniki, obiskali smo jih na zaključku v Križankah.
Last year we started to do the first event of Marmelada, which is like we have a creative jam session of biennial of independent illustration in Slovenia. So the main idea of Marmelada is to gather together some creative individuals, either are these like authors of biennial or just like other people that are interested in creation, jamming. And this year we went with the digital art, so we invited artist in residency, Nuno Correa.
I'm a Portuguese artist and teacher. I live in Finland, in Helsinki, where I'm finishing my doctoral degree. I'm a researcher and artist in the field of visual music. So I'm combining audio with graphics and trying to create a whole out of these two means of expression. And my proposal was to have a workshop where the students would create visuals using very simple graphics, because it would be a short workshop, but that together with the music would create an interesting whole, and it would add a different level of interest to the music.
Nuno je kar zelo fajn človek, tako prijazen, rad pomaga, zelo nam je na voljo, na roko, razloži zadeve.
Was programming the stuff and we make the visuals for it, and yes, we were learning from him and he was learning from us.
They all come from different backgrounds. Some are like artists, professionals, some are working as a designers, some are like programmers.
Proces je bil kar zanimiv, zato ker v bistvu smo prišli iz vseh vetrov. Nekako jaz sem samo z oblikovanjem se ukvarjam, zelo malo z video oziroma skoraj nič. In veliko sem se naučila, kar se tiče videa pa audija, tako da zdaj v bistvu to je ena fajn začetek za raziskovanje naprej.
At the beginning I didn't know what I will do, and in the end something new came up.
I think they all did a really good job, and I just hope it doesn't rain and the people have opportunity to get inspired by their own work. And I hope Kino Šiška as well as the U Festival gain something as well from Marmelada and Independent Biennial.
V začetku junija smo odšli v Izolo na filmski festival Kino Otok, v sklopu katerega je potekala video delavnica Vesela kamera. Nastali so naslednji čudoviti filmi, pa si jih oglejmo.
Start again.
Okay.
Iz Krškega bazena smo odšli do Izole, ker imajo vsaj morje.
Večasi za ljubezen ni potrebno pogledati daleč.
Maybe one thing that occurs to me is that in a such cultural surrounding, I think that prostitution is only a faster way, but not such a different way to deal with sex than it is done in also normal situations. There you go for simply that purpose as a customer, and you know you're gonna get it in a way. If you go to a discotheque and you think, you know, I should have sex tonight, you don't know if you're gonna get it. The behavior in that moment when you deal with it is probably not so different from any place else in that kind of country or religious or cultural surrounding. Sexy can be very unexpected. It can come from all directions. The girls know what's sexy because they have to sell it. Some people also said to me, you know, this all looks so beautiful. And I just say, because I had the best makeup artists in the world. Those women know how to present themselves because that's their money. That's what they do. That's what they do to get customers. So I don't have to do anything. If you film sex, you have to ask. And I said to this prostitute, she should choose the customers because I don't want to oppose a customer on her, even if she agrees. So she chose the guy, and they knew that we film it, of course. Otherwise you cannot film sex, you're not a fly on the wall. So there is some kind of agreement in that. I mean, the prostitutes have a very casual way of treating the subject. Maybe as a man sometimes you're shocked about that, you know. They are not very easygoing normally when women come to a brothel. That's not something they want. But if you cross these borders, maybe you get another kind of companion or camaraderie. I, as a man, I'm always seen as some kind of a potential customer. And that changes the situation. I think a woman would do a very, very different film. And it's good, because sometimes people accuse me, they say, you're a man, you did this from a look of a man. I say, yes, because I am. So there is no way around that. And the first two films, one is on big cities and one is actually on hard manual labor. The subject of prostitution came up again and again. With the workers who would always say different parts of the world, after they've done their job, they would happily go down to the city and meet some prostitutes, and that's something that's special and good in their lives. I had this sequence of a stripper in Mexico City that was one of the most discussed scenes in megacities. So I thought that's a very interesting thing to follow up, because not all the questions were asked already or all the answers were given. So I decided to make a whole film on that.
I don't know him very well, but from what I've seen, he's a nice guy. He's his own. He's a character.
Last time he gave me salt. Yesterday I gave him oil. Today I asked him to boil my water because I don't have enough pots. Yeah, we are cool. We are nice. We are not enemies. We are not enemies.
I started cooking about 7 years ago, I mean professionally. Movies, it was the first time 3 years ago that we went. I went with a friend of mine on a hitchhiking trip from Barcelona to Palestine, and we decided to record the trip.
I started to make films by accident. That was not my purpose, and it was the same with the cooking.
In the festival I had a movie 24 minutes and I've been working 55 hours. So I would say I'm more of a cook.
Today in the festival, as a cook for sure.
Do you feel the rhythm? The most complicated part in cooking is trying to chop vegetables very fast when you're really drunk. And try to keep your nails and fingers out of the food. About the movie, the editing part.
Start. I improvise while I'm cooking. And I do the same a lot in film, but I don't really think separately to aesthetics as a. So I always do think as a whole thing, not by.
Everything is about aesthetic. It's the basis, it's the basic. The link is the same as we talked before. Is the, like you said, the aesthetics is the ability of creating something that is nice and touches other people's soul. Because you can also touch people's soul with the food.
It's similar. You have to find different good ingredients and put them together in a good way. Simple. To be honest, now I'm in a mood that I really prefer that people appreciate my meal. I mean, of course I appreciate if they like my film, but I feel more happy if the people are really satisfied with the thing that I cook, to be honest.
I would say my movie in this specific occasion, because my movie is about Palestinian and Israeli conflicts, about people being killed, people that suffer. If somebody doesn't like my food, I can actually live with that. It's a matter of taste, but yeah, the movie for sure.
Oh Madonna, già è tanti anni che non l'avevo visto il cinema. No, andavamo, le ragazze, ci trovavamo 5-6 ragazze del nostro paese, andavamo a piedi, si andava, perché non c'erano i mezzi. La città piena di marinai, e sa, mia mamma e mio papà non potevano lasciarmi da sola.
Ero fuori, in paese, 4 chilometri per andare al cinema. E sono andata al cinema, si andava con la scuola.
Non c'erano tanti cinema. A Isola quanti cinema? 1 o 2? 2. Quella volta erano 1 Tirano, 1 a Sicciole e lui qui a Isola 2.
Li rende consapevoli.
In Slovenia e anche in Jugoslavia, quando c'era la Jugoslavia, era in originale o in sloveno o anche in croato, oppure l'italiano. Questi film guardavamo, parlavano in originale, ma le scritte erano nella nostra lingua. Tradotto, sì, nelle nostre lingue. Per anni e anni era così. Di tutto guardiamo, di tutto, chi si ricorda.
Si guardava più Topolini, quelle cose lì ci portavano per bambini, non si facevano vedere nudismo, quelle cose lì.
Tarzan. Tu hai visto Tarzan?
Sì. E guardavo una puntata che era la guerra dei Mussolini.
Perché era appena passata la guerra, la seconda guerra mondiale.
Signorina?
Se c'è qualche bel film di Sofia Loren.
E sempre con Alida Valli guardavamo i film, con Alida Valli. Era bellissimi i film, la faceva. Finché avevamo la televisione, avevamo le nostre puntate, Tempesta d'amore.
Guardo la sera qualche film, qualche cosa, o ascolto la radio, o guardo la televisione, ma al cinema non vado qua.
No, non frequentiamo tanto alla nostra età, perché adesso è tutto moderno. Anche al cinema quello che trasmettono è tutto più evoluto e moderno, e voi lo sapete che siete giovani, come si formano i film oggi. O sono film fantastici, o sono film degli extraterrestri. Non ci sono per noi. Come si chiama questo festival? Kinotok.
Non lo conosco, no, e neanche non lo vado a vedere, no. C'ho un'età ormai.
Siamo troppo anziane per venire a casa, sì.
Sì, purtroppo. Un po' una srednja studentka popaja se neko priključi odporu proti okupatorju. Sì, parla anche questo, parla di quello che si svolgeva in quell'epoca. E dopo c'è Četvrtek e Petek, ma tutti i giorni. Milično za slepega konja. E questi sono i titoli dei film. Vorrei poter essere tutti i giorni, tutti in questi orari.
Some beauty, some rhythm, some imagery that stays with me, and preferable in an unexplanatory way. In a way that the depicted world hits me from a direction that I have never expected. that when I leave the movie theater, it gives me something that doesn't go away, maybe forever. An ideal movie, I would describe that when I leave the movie theater, it gives me something that doesn't go away, maybe forever. Some beauty, some rhythm, some imagery that stays with me, and preferable in an unexplanatory way, in a way that the depicted world hits me from a direction that I have never expected.
To je bilo za ta mesec vse.
Vidimo se naslednji mesec.
Adijo!